Hello there, my little cupcake. So, you either saw a streamer and wondered how this type of thing works, or you want to become a streamer yourself, so you clicked on this video. So, I'll give you a few informations about how the stuff works, and then you can find out yourself if you want to do it or not. So, first of all, why should you be doing this? Well, you should do it for fun, for your own entertainment, or to try to entertain others. You have to be interested in what you're doing, otherwise there is no purpose on even starting. Also, yeah, just have fun. Like, if you don't do it for you or other people, what are you even doing there? The worst reasons to start would be, oh, I want to be famous, I want to be rich. Forget about that. You're getting nowhere with that attitude. For real. I'm gonna be straightforward with you. If that's the reason you want to start, you can forget it altogether right now. Okay. Anyway, there are different types of streamers, first of all. There is the content-only streamer type that basically just has a game running on screen or let's say the information itself. You have the face cam streamer that we know most. The most iconic ones like Jacksepticeye or Markiplier, or you know the gist. You know these type of people like Lauren Seaside. We all know them. They're all hilarious. Then we have the VTubers that has... Well, it hasn't been there for that long just yet, but it has become quite popular. And under the VTuber types, there are also different categories. First of all, we have the PNG tuber. Basically, just an image on screen that gives you an impression about how they think they look like while they are talking, while presenting the information. Then we have the 3D VTuber that you can... There are some that use full body tracking in, let's say, VR chat. That makes things a lot spicier, like... if you move around a lot, that would be funny as heck. But if you know Fillion, yeah, she abused the entire system of being a 3D VTuber. And then, with that one specifically, you want to go to VRide Studio and make your free VTuber model. You can get VRide Studio on Steam for free. So don't worry about that. That's a benefit. You get that model for free. For streaming... No, for the face captures, so your VTuber model reacts to you, you will need a software called VC Face. You can download that from the web, also for free. And then we have the 2D VTuber, which has to be custom made. It can cost from like 400 to several $10,000s, depending on what type you're going for. They come in all shapes and sizes, all rigging types. The more complex the art is, the more it will cost, obviously. And the more complex, the more rigging there is to do as well, which is also very pricey, the more there is to rig. So, yeah. So for the 2D VTubers, you will need a custom model, and for the capture software, you will be using VTube Studio, which you can get for free on Steam as well. Now, you're asking, how am I gonna stream? Well, no worries about that, I'm getting to it. You will need a streaming software, which is separate from the face capture software. The most popular one that I know of is OBS. Many are using them. But for me personally, it was very confusing and very hard to operate. I personally use a streaming software called Prism Live Studio. And I heard there's a new one coming in. It hasn't really been tested yet. If you want it, you can just try all of them and see which one suits you the best. Okay, so we're gonna come to the content types. Like, if you don't know what the heck you want to do with your content, maybe you should ask yourself that first and try and see what type of content would suit you best. What are you good at? What kind of interests do you have? Like, do you do cosplay? Do you play video games? Do you want to spread drama that was spread on Twitter? Do you want to spread your own type of news? Like, I saw Vtuber spread Vtuber news, for example. Also, information-based videos are very, very popular, and they get a lot of views. Especially the how-to videos, like, how do I bake a cake? How do I make my garden look like a freaking fantasy paradise? Also, like guides, like for example, game information and guides are also very interesting videos that a lot of people would watch. Like Hollow Knight, what do I have to do? In which order will I tackle this thing? Or like a walkthrough video or stream or something like that. Very popular. Then you could be sharing your life with vlogs, pet videos, epic failed videos. You get the gist of that. Music. Just try and see what suits you best, what kind of interests you have, and go from there. You can change your content type in the middle of it if you end up thinking, oh no, this is not gonna work out. No worries about that. Just start and see how it goes for you. Then you're trying to do this as a hobby, just vibe and stuff. But if you actually are trying to reach some people to vibe with on your streams and become a little bit more, if you want a few more viewers, I have a few advices and tips. So first of all, you want a main content type. Let's say I'm a gamer that plays mostly RPGs. That's my main focus. But then you can always go around and experiment with a few other things every once in a while to keep things interesting, first of all. And secondly, to see if you can adapt it into your main content type. Or just keep things interesting, you know? Or maybe your main content type isn't as interesting for you anymore and you're looking for something else to do. Well, that would be the best opportunity to do so. Also, just don't stream on Twitch and hope things will just work out by itself. The reach is catastrophically shitty. So I would advise you to at least make shorts and promote yourselves on like social media, like Twitter. The shorts should be on TikTok, YouTube, and any other platform you have. Threads, Twitter, Bluesky, anywhere where people can watch videos. The more you spread it, the better. The more videos, the more shorts you make, or more informational posts, the better. If it's only long form videos and just on Twitch, the reach will be shitty as fuck. So that'll be very important advice to you, as well as you should be sticking to a schedule. Tell the people when you will be live, maybe like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on at this specific time, like 7, 8 p.m. maybe. I would advise you to stream like about 2 to 3 days a week, if you can make that happen, and use the rest of your time to promote your shit. I don't really do that. I give the best advice and then I don't do it myself. I do promote my stuff, but I don't use extra days to promote myself. I'm just freaking tripling down on multitasking. Don't follow my example. I'm a very bad example. Do as I say and not as I do. Yeah, also you want to maintain communication with your viewers. Preferably, you can go on Discord or anywhere where you have collected your masses of viewers. Not masses, but you know what I mean. And keep chatting with them or interacting with them, so they just keep in touch with them, so they potentially can come back to your streams or content, so they don't lose any interest in you. Also, big hint. Just try your best. Be yourself. And very important, have fun. If you don't have fun, yeah, quit now. Quit now. Anyway, don't just do Twitch, okay? Don't do just Twitch. I know it's very popular. I know Twitch is very popular, but don't get hooked on that until you know what you're doing. Like I said, TikTok is the best bet if you want to start off. So, either TikTok or YouTube. TikTok or YouTube, but TikTok is the best bet here for people that are just starting off. The reach is the best one over there. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll try to answer as much as I possibly can and as accurate as I possibly can. So, thanks for watching and we'll see each other in another video, hopefully. Shadow and out.